How to backup game data with Epic Games Launcher. Sure, here are the steps on how to backup game data with Epic Games Launcher. Method 1. Use Cloud Saves. 1. Open the Epic Games Launcher. 2. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner. 3. Click Settings. 4. Select the Enable Cloud Saves checkbox. This will enable cloud saves for all of your games. Your saved data will be stored on Epic servers and will be accessible from any computer that you use the Epic Games Launcher on. Method 2. Manually backup saved data. 1. Open the PC Gaming Wiki website. 2. Input a game title you need to backup data for within that site's search box and press enter. 3. Scroll down the games page to the saved game data location details. 4. Launch File Explorer to open the Windows or Epic Games Launcher saved data path specified for your game. 5. Right-click the Game Save Game folder and select Copy. 6. Open another directory to paste the folder in and press Ctrl+V. This will create a manual backup of your saved game data. You can then store this backup on a USB drive, external hard drive, or cloud storage service. Which method should I use? If you want to be able to access your saved data from any computer that you use the Epic Games Launcher on, then you should use Cloud Saves. However, if you want to have a local copy of your saved data that you can access even if you don't have an internet connection, then you should manually back up your saved data.